Hello, online course creators. Let me ask some questions about your online course platform. Does your online course provide students a tool way to clear his or her doubts or ask questions on any course or lesson or topic? Do your online course teachers get notification of students' doubts automatically? Are they able to identify the page on which the student asks questions? Okay, what happens after the teacher answers a doubt of a student? Are other students able to read those question answers? Can other students join or add some questions on the same doubt that was answered by the teacher? Lastly, can students make private notes on those questions? Well, today I'm going to introduce a brand new plugin called LifterLMS Q&A plugin. Once you install this plugin, students can ask questions on any page at the place of their choice. The student's question is posted to the admin area of the teacher automatically. A small question mark icon visible on the page. Students can read and also participate in the same questions widget. Any subsequent questions are also posted within the same widget. Not only that, the plugin lets the student write a private note on any place over the lessons or topic. These private notes are only visible to the students who make. The plugin provides an easy front widget to ask questions and visit to see old questions or read private notes. The admin and teacher will have a record of all questions answered for future reference. So, installing this plugin will enhance the quality of your online course delivery and convert your online courses to a more interactive and beneficial platform to students. Watch the demo now.